I'm saying that enough of the talking. Mr. President, stop the talk, walk the talk.
He's walking it.
Mr. President, walk the talk. Walk the talk. They've been sweeping the account of institutions. Institutions need money to operate. Release their money to them. Government institutions need money to operate. What's Kenya? Aben sweep.
How?
Which one? Aban Ejumayafu P. Walk on account ma Wosika Aben Aji. We sweep ninya from the account. Be someone.
But we are an experienced lawyer and a politician. You also don't make a sweeping statement like that.
No, this is not a sweeping statement. Didn't you hear the GS war complaint? Ante. Emina Makai. Has government answered them? Obini Sika, why a budget? What's a institution A, who's Kenny, institution B, who's Kenny? Aben from nowhere without recourse. We sweep one is Kenny if you want to account him. For what? They have to come and explain. They have to come and explain. Omahin, share what's it? So one you want it in an edembia. Anna. Actually, na ye won it into ye dem
kana poncheni
owu a na ye won it into and na ola rotimi so okay bibi what the gods are not to blame also all the frogs are lying prostrate with time belly ache
with time
with time belly ache
so you are marking that time
miss with time belly ache
so you're not thinking
we'll let some
good
of them lie flat.
You're not thinking good for this administration.
No.
Your thinking is that
because
BBC
no
BBC
they pretended they misled Ghanaians. With time we will see the true colors of the NDC.